Alright guys, it's gonna be a quick little video. I'm gonna be doing this tailgate assist little kit. You can get from Amazon or eBay, even TikTok shop. This one from TikTok shop they sent it to me, but Amazon sells the exact same model on their website. So I'm gonna be installing this on my single cab. So let me go ahead and install it. This kit's from 2015 and up. So let's go ahead and do everything. Alright, so the first step is you're gonna go ahead. This is obviously clipped on here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a little screwdriver. You're gonna lift this little tab up, and as you lift it up, you're gonna lift your tailgate as well. Once you lift up your tailgate, you're gonna make it have some slack, and you're gonna slide this thing off. So that's the first step. Alright guys, now you go ahead and remove the bolt. This right here is gonna be a T50 socket. So now we're gonna go ahead and install this right here. As such, you're gonna be exactly like this. You're gonna grab the one that only has a one little bar on the bottom. You're gonna install it right here, and then you're gonna put the same bolt you just took off. You're gonna put it back in there. Alright guys, so now that you took off bolt, you're gonna go ahead and install this plate. And I actually just noticed I put it backwards. This little bar is supposed to be up here. Just flip it over. It does come with two different ones. It has one with two holes, and then it has one with one hole and the adjustable one. So the one I used was the one with two holes, but let me go ahead and flip this over. Alright guys, so once you already put your little plate in, you're gonna go ahead and grab your shock. You're gonna go ahead and extend it out and mount it already on this top piece and the bottom one. You might have to, once you put the top in, you might have to lift up the tailgate a little bit, and that's totally fine. You can go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so once you mounted the little shock, as you can see the way I have mounted, now you're gonna have to go ahead and install this back. All you gotta do is, I'm lifting up my tailgate with my knee, like that, and there it goes. And then you might have to end up removing these, but I'm gonna see right now. It says it's optional on the paper, but I'm gonna see right now if I have to take it off or not. Alright guys, so I just double checked right now, and I did try and close it, and it does sit on this. So let's go ahead and remove this little bracket. Alright guys, so for these, it is gonna be a T30 socket. So let's go ahead and remove them. You see, and then it has two, one on the bottom, one on the top. There it goes. I'm gonna take it off. Now it should close. All finished up. Now let's go ahead and test it out. We're gonna close the gate, and then we're gonna let it drop down. There. Now let's go ahead and open it. Okay, there you go. See, it won't slam down now. It's all fully, I guess, kind of like hydraulic with a little shock. But yeah, it definitely does work. Now we're gonna see how long it lasts. Hopefully it should last a good while. Hopefully. So that's it for today, guys. It was just a quick little video.